Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Secretary jong Katnat Sports and Youth Affairs jong Kasorka Jela, Pravin Bakshi, henen kasngi kalai potrek ujemang. Ulaple pajba ya kelempong ya kop lakai sport. Ya kebaltem kum State Level Chief Minister Inter-School Athletic Meet 2018. Ya kaba on pelong hakilai sengi dantar, ya kabala pelong hapo Jawaharlal Nehru Complex Pulau Shillong. Ya kabala pembet pembiang da Katnat Sports and Youth Affairs jong Kasorka Jela. Hakani kelempong lajan boro ki skol ki badan haki khatwai tli ki district hakajela kilawan simenta. Kijing ilak kai hakini kilai sengi ki kentom ya kiji ko mare hakajing jingai ke basis 4 meter nang ta ka shot put, discus throw, ka high jump, ka long jump, ka javelin throw, ka relay race, bat kiwi di kijing ilak kai. Lapia ka kerdan ilak kai jong ki kena skol. Hapadang ki kentai bat cenrang lakajong, bat haka kerdan jong ki bahapo ka khat saus nam karta, khan reus nam, bat ka khat pras nam karta.
Our distance of 10.59 meters. And the gold medal goes to Bastian Marcos of East Catholic, who drew the captain at a distance of 10.88 meters. And a distance of 18.45 meters. Jessica Sloan of Greenhall District bags the silver medal, who drew it at a distance